In this video, I'm going to show you how to see Instagram Reels that you liked. This works for both iOS and Android devices and is pretty easy to do once you know how to do it, so let's get started. Okay, so first things first, what you want to do is of course open up your Instagram app and make sure that you are logged in. And I'm just going to show you an example of how this works, so I'll just go to the Reels section and let's say that I like this video, so I like the video here. And now if I want to go and find that video again, what I'd need to do is press on your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen to be taken to your profile page. When you get here, you just need to tap on the three lines at the top right of the screen, and from this list that pops up, you just need to choose settings at the very top. Now once you're here, you need to press on account just above help, and near the bottom of this list, you need to press on posts you've liked. From here, you will see everything you have liked, from normal posts to reels, and as you can see, there is that reel that I liked. Now, the way that you can tell if it's a normal post or a reel is that reels have this reels logo at the top right corner of the post, just like this. Now, when you press on the reel, it will take you to the reel on the creator's account, and as you can see, some of the reel is cropped out and it's not showing the full size, which can be quite annoying, right? So to fix this, when it's playing, just press on the Reels logo at the bottom left of the screen and it will take you to the actual Reels section where you can view it in its original full-sized format. Anyway, that's how you see Instagram Reels that you have liked. If this video helped you out, please like the video and consider subscribing for more tips, tricks and tutorials just like this one. And if you have any further questions, leave them down below and I'm sure I can help you out. Anyway, see you next time. Bye bye.